Hey there, today I'm jazzing up my patio with HIPPO Outdoor Curtains. I started by measuring my patio's width and height, from edge to edge, and top to bottom. Once I knew my measurements, I placed an order on shophippo.in. I unboxed the HIPPO package. Inside, you'll find more than just curtains, hooks, and wall plugs for extra security against the wind. With everything ready, I opened up the curtain, sliding each eyelet onto the rod. It's like putting together a stylish puzzle for my patio. Hung the rod on the hanger, and now installation was complete. HIPPO Outdoor Curtains really know how to bring the wow factor. But wait, there's more. The closure band on the side comes with Velcro. Easy peasy folding and unfolding. And for full coverage, nylon closures at the top, mid, and bottom. They keep two curtains perfectly connected, giving me complete coverage from the sunlight. So there you have it. This is my hassle-free installation of HIPPO Outdoor Curtains.